Okay, first thing we do, if you haven't seen one of my drawings, is I pull all of the entries off of the video and then add it to entries. Hold on a second here, almost forgot. I need to show you. Okay, so the first entries are all the members. I'd like to thank 49er Doctor. He's our latest member. He became a member a while back. I just haven't had a chance to tell everybody. The other entries directly below him were advertisers. I think I'm going to stop that. But so we enter in the all the individuals from the actual drawing, which gives us a total of 57 entries, and we go to random.org. I type in the number of entries. I generate a divider number, basically that cuts the deck, and then three numbers. 29 will be first place, 7 will be second place, and 35 will be third place. Okay, so now we got all of our numbers. Let's go up. The first number, which is 23, will become 1. So I take the one just above it, 22, and everything above 23 gets deleted off here and put down to the bottom. It's like cutting a deck of cards. Okay, so now we have all of our entries. I need to clear these all off because they're no longer there. And delete that. Now Tracy O'Donnell, just like you've seen earlier, is in first place. She used to be 23. And everybody else is randomly in. And then we find number 29. Number 29, your first place. I'm going to give you 3 days to send me an email. I'm going to also try to contact you through your comment. Tracy O'Donnell was second place. Same thing. And number 35, Gun Darn Collector, it looks like, is third place. So if you're first, second, or third place, shoot me an email if you see this. That way I know you're interested. That way if first place prize winner can't be contacted or decides to donate it back, it'll make it a lot faster for me to get a hold of you. If you're third place, go ahead and shoot me the email too, and that'll do it.